The fifth and final topic I covered was the branches of the Republic government. From the founding of Rome, it started off as a monarchy ruled by kings. When the Romans noticed the problems of the monarchy, they switched to a more effective form of government with three branches. The three branches of the Republic government were the consuls, praetors, and the senators. The consuls consisted of two individuals called magistrates. They led the military, ran the government, and served for a one-year term. The praetors were judges who were in charge of the laws. The senators advised government officials, served for their lifetime, and eventually their advice evolved into important laws. Because there was distributed power throughout the three branches, this form of government was very successful. But there were a few disadvantages, one of them being that many officials were involved in decision-making. This can be difficult when, at times, swift action is required.